Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of topic biomolecules. The first question is which of the following carbohydrates is the most abundant in nature is cellulose. Next question, the sweetest of all sugar is fructose. Question number third, sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose. Question number 4. The disaccharide present in a milk is lactose. Starch is a polymer of glucose. Enzymes are proteins. The next question, question number 6, 7. On hydrolysis, proteins give amino acids. Which of the following have colloid helical structures? Proteins. Vitamin C is a ascorbic acid. Question number 10. Iodine deficiency in diet is known as to cause goiter. The reagent which may be used to distinguish between cane sugar and glucose solution is filling solution. Question number 12. Ascorbic acid is a vitamin. The next question. Chemical name of vitamin A is asprophethol या retinol. A compound gives both 9-hydrogen test and molasses test is a protein. Question number 15. The carbohydrate which serves as a reserve glucose in body is glycogen. Question number 16. Protein as an important constituent of our diet. It functions mainly a construction material. Question number 17. The coagulation of protein is called denaturing. Question number 18. Main structure unit of protein is peptide linkage. Question 19. Which one is a disaccharide? Is the lactose. Question number 20. The vitamin that is the most rarely manufactured in our body is vitamin D. Question 21. Yeast is an important source of inverteries. Question number 22. Vitamin A deficiency leads to a disease known as a night blindness. Question 23. The vitamins which are soluble in water are B and C. Question 24. Which one of the following contains cobalt? Is vitamin B12. Question 25. Which of the following has a magnesium? Chlorophyll. Question 26. Which of the following is not a sex hormone? Cortisone. Next question, question number 27. Insulin is secreted from pancreas. And 28. A protein is the best described as a polypeptide. Question 29. Amino acids are building block of proteins. Question 30. Which of the following is found in a cod liver oil? Is vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin E causes anti-fertility. Vitamin B2 is also known as a riboflavin. The number of amino acids which forms a protein in nature are about 20. And which one is not the essential constituents of balanced diet? Is hormones. Question number 35. The digestion of fat in intestine is aided by emulsification. Question number 36. The human body does not produce vitamins. Question 37. Hydrolysis of cane sugar is called inversion. Calorific value is in the order of fats greater than carbohydrates greater than proteins. Question number 39. Vitamin B1 is known as a thiamine. Question number 40. Which of the following base is found only in RNA and not in DNA? Is a uracil. Question number 41. Which one of the following base found in DNA but not in RNA? Is a thymine. Question number 42. Amino acid present in insulins are 51. Which has the maximum protein? Ground nut. Question number 44. The most important energy carriers in the living cell is ATP. Yeast is a bacteria and pyruvate test is used for the detection of proteins. Next question 47. Which protein is the main constituent of milk? Is casein. Question 48. Protein gives the purple color with 9 hydrogen reagent. The next question is catering a fibrous protein is present in all of these, yani hairs and nails, wools, skins, and all of these. A metal which can form a complex with insulin is zinc. Enzymes, all of have enzymes accelerate biochemical reactions, consist of ammonium acids, have optimum activity at body temperature, have all these properties. The next question 52. The function of enzymes in the living system is to catalyze biochemical reactions. 53. The vitamin which is water soluble and antioxidant is vitamin C. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. Question 56. Vitamin C is a lactone. Question 57. Vitamin D is a calciferol. 58. Beriberi is caused due to the vitamin B. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of ascorbic acid. Question 60. A vitamin which play a vital role in the coagulating property of the blood is vitamin K. Question 61. The energy stored in the cells of a living body as in the form of ATP. Carrying of sugar is due to the dehydration. Lactose on hydrolysis gives glucose plus galactose. Cellulose is a polymer of glucose, which is the fight and flight organ, thyroid, and DNA multiplication is called replication. Thiamine is the right answer is 5-methyl uracil. Question 68. Insulin regulates the metabolism of glucose. Vitamin B6 is known as a pyridoxine. Vitamin B12 contains carbon monoxide. The gas essential for protein synthesis is nitrogen, and phosphorus is essential constituents of nucleic acids. Question 73. Which when sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, we get benzene. 74. Chlorobenzene, when condensed with the chloro in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, yields DDT. Gamaxine is a benzene hexachloride. Question 76. Picric acid is a yellow colored compound. Its chemical name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Question 77. Phenol is also called carbolic acid. Aspirin is an antipyretic. Which of the following is the most volatile? Is O-nitrophenol, which has the smell of oil of wintergreen, is the methyl silicates. Silicates used acid is used all of the above as an antiseptic, as a medicine for rheumatic pain, in the preparation of azodes. 82. Which of the following may be used as a food preservative? Right answer is the sodium benzoate. And consider the following, that enzymes and proteins can be correlated with each other in the following ways. The right answer is 2 and 4, that is all enzymes are protein and all proteins are not enzymes. Next question. Which one of the following vitamins is essential coagulation of blood? That is vitamin K. Question 25. Deficiency of which one of the following cause exporic thalassemia? Vitamin A. Which one among the following is the sweetest natural sugar? Is lactose. Consider the following, that is nucleic acid, carbohydrates and protein. A virus made up of the which of the above? That is nucleic acid and proteins. Next question. What is the bond between the two amino acid in proteins called ester bond? What does the protein deficiency in the children usually between the age of 1 to 3 years cause? Kwashiorkor. And deficiency of which one of the following cause knock knee, bow legs and pignon chest in children? Vitamin D. And deficiency of which vitamins results in the inflammation of skin and eczema along with diarrhea? That is nicotinic acid. Thanks for watching and sharing.